Yes, good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Yes, let us start reading the poem Five Little Crows. Five old crows. Five old crows. See here, five old crows means they are old. They are bigger one. Old means they have got more age. They have born, and for example, you see your grandmothers, they are old. Yes or no, children? Like this only, you can see your five crows. Five crows were on the brick wall. Four were tall and the other was small. See, you know their crows, you can see here. There are five crows and were on the brick wall. Brick, you know, no, children? For what they use brick? To build the houses, to build a building. First they keep the bricks and they will build first walls. After walls only you can construct the house. Yes or no, children? First they will keep the bricks and they will build the walls first. Four were tall and other was small. Four crows were tall, other was very small. One old crow cried, "Cow, cow, cow." He went to visit his mother-in-law. One crow, what he has done? He was an old crow. He was saying, "Cow, cow." He went to visit his mother-in-law's house. He went. Four old crows were on a brick. Three were tall and other was small. You can see here five crows was here. That one crow which was old, it went to mother-in-law's house. Here you find four crows. Four crows, after four crows, three were tall, one was small. One old crow went to get some food. One old crow went to get some food for the crows. He never came back to other groups. See, again he never came back to them. He went away to get the food. He did not come back. How many crows was there? Three crows. Here this old crow went. It went to mother-in-law's house. It was four crows. And here one crow went to get a food. It went to get a food, and you got a three crows here. The three crows, what they are doing, let us see. Three crows were on a brick wall. Two were tall and other was small. Here the same thing. Two were tall crows and one was very small crow. The small one grew and grew and grew and flew away, and that left two. Now the small one grew means it has grown up. See, children, when you will be small, you will be growing day by day, weeks by weeks, months by months, year by years. These also the same thing crows know. After giving a birth, it will be very small. Afterwards it will be growing day by day, month by month. Like that it has become big, and it flew and went away. And you can see two old crows were on brick's wall. How many are left, children? Only two crows left here. Both were old, both were them tall. See, you can see both two crows were tall, two crows were old. One crow said, "I miss my son." One crow said, "I miss my son." What the crow was telling? "I missed my son." He flew away, and that left one. See, in these two old crows, what it happened? Into this old crows, two was tall. And what happened to that? Both was tall and both was old. In that old crow, one crow has said to another crow that I missed my son. He flew away and that left one. The one more crow left one more crow and went in search of their son. You understood what I have told, children? Once more I will explain. We have 5 crows here, 5 old crows. Old means they have become little bit old. Crows, 5 crows we have here. Crows means which color it will be? Black in color. 5 crows. In 5 crows, 1 crow left 4 crows there and it went to mother-in-law's house. How many crows left there? Only 4 crows. How many crows, children? 4 crows there left here. Yes, you can see here. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in these 4 crows, one more crow went to get the food. One more crow in 4 crows. One more crow went to get the food and it went to get the food and it did not come back. Now you can see how many crows are left here? 3 crows. How many crows? 3 crows. Afterwards, 4th crow, what it has done? Now 3 crows are left here. 2 crows were small, 1 was very small. Excuse me. 1 was very small. It grew. It became big and flew away. It went away. Where it went? We cannot see. How many crows are here now? Only 2 crows are left here. How many crows are left here? 2 crows. Yes, in these 2 crows, what last it will become, you see? 2 old crows were on a brick wall. Both were old. See here, you can see the crows, 2 year crows. They are old now. They became old. After these 2 crows, one what it has told for one more crow, I am missing my son. And 1 crow left one more crow and it went away. How many crows are left here now? Tell me, how many crows are left here? Only 1 crow. Yes or no, children? We was having 5 crows here. It was flying old crows. But leaving one crow, only 1 crow is left there. With their own reason, they left one crow and they did not come back again. Here, you can see only 1 crow here. Yes or no, children? Hope you all understood. Thank you, children.